Hey Sastra community, welcome back to the channel where we bring you straightforward, honest reviews of the tools that power your business. Today, we're diving into AMZScout, a platform built specifically for Amazon sellers who are serious about making data-driven decisions. Before we jump in, just a quick heads up. You'll find all the important links and resources mentioned in this review right down in the description. What is AMZScout? So, what exactly is AMZScout? At its core, it's a powerful suite of tools that helps Amazon sellers spot profitable products, analyze market trends, and optimize listings to drive more sales. Whether you're dropshipping, launching a private label, or scaling an existing store, AMZScout is built to give you that competitive edge you've been looking for. The platform comes packed with several powerful features, and each one serves a specific need. Let's break them down on the dashboard. At Product Research, this plugin is a powerful Chrome extension designed for Amazon sellers to make data-driven product decisions. It provides real-time insights into product demand, competition, sales trends, estimated revenue, FBA fees, and profit margins directly on Amazon's website. Then the product database. This lets us search through millions of Amazon products using smart filters. The product tracker is a reliable feature that helps sellers keep track of a product's daily sales and rating trends. It's a great way to monitor competitors and determine if a product is worth selling before making any commitments. Additionally, the dropshipping, arbitrage, and wholesale extension makes it easier to avoid high-risk products and improve your chances of success on Amazon. It's especially useful for sellers who want to stay lean and efficient in their operations. Next is the keyword listing. One of the standout features of the AMZScout Pro AI extension is the Reverse ASIN Lookup 2.0. It lets you grab top-performing keywords directly from your competitors' listings, making it easier to optimize your own. Next, there's the Amazon Keyword Search tool, which helps you discover thousands of relevant keywords to improve visibility and bring in more potential buyers. With the Amazon Keyword Tracker, you can monitor your keyword rankings in real time and compare them against your competitors. It even tells you when to drop underperforming keywords from paid campaigns, so you don't waste your ad budget. The AI Listing Builder is another powerful addition. It creates optimized listings using only the most searched and effective keywords, helping your product stand out. And finally, the AI Review Analyzer gives you quick, actionable insights from customer reviews. It shows what people love or dislike about your product, so you can make improvements and boost conversions. Now in ready-made solutions, Individual Product Research delivers custom product ideas based on your business needs. SEO Listing. Optimization provides keyword-rich listings to boost your Amazon rankings. At Trend and Product Ideas. Monthly reports and trends reveal new Amazon opportunities and tips to boost your sales. Weekly Hot Products highlight top-selling items across trending niches. Free bonuses offer hype products and top picks under $1 to keep you ahead. And, of course, we can't skip competitor analysis. With this, we get a clear view of what similar sellers are doing, what products they're pushing, how they're priced, how their reviews are trending. It's a must-have for staying one step ahead in a competitive marketplace, and from here you can easily select your marketplace based on different countries. Now the tool also lets you explore different product categories to refine your search. For example, let's choose the clothing, shoes and jewelry category. Just select it, type in a keyword, let's go with t-shirt, then set your price range between $10 and $20 and hit Find Products. In seconds, you'll get a list of results showing product rankings, product scores, reselling potential, estimated sales, estimated revenue, pricing, and fees, all in one place. It also allows you to download this data on Sheet, so it would be easy for analysis. And if you want to narrow it down even further, just click on More Filters. From there, you can apply additional criteria based on your specific needs. When it comes to pricing, AMZScout keeps it simple and transparent. You can choose the monthly plan at $59.99, the 3-month bundle for $149.99, or go with the most popular yearly bundle at $399.99, which also includes a free one-on-one mentor call and saves you $320 compared to paying monthly. For added value, there are 2 functional add-ons at $99.99 per year each. The Booster Pack for private label includes tools like the AI Listing Builder and Review Analyzer, while the Booster Pack for reselling offers resources for dropshipping, arbitrage, and wholesale sourcing. Whether you're launching a new brand or scaling your reselling business, there's a pricing plan that fits your goals and budget. Now, who is AMZScout really built for? We'd say it's a great fit for both beginners and experienced sellers. If you're just starting and struggling to find your first winning product, the platform's research tools can give you a serious head start. On the other hand, if you're already selling and want to sharpen your strategy, you'll benefit from the platform's real-time data, ranking insights, and competitive benchmarks. But, and this is important, AMZScout really shines when you're ready to put in the work. If you're not planning to dive into data or make regular adjustments based on performance, then you might not get the full value this tool can offer. It's not a set it and forget it kind of platform. To wrap things up, AMZScout is a robust, feature-rich toolset that can truly enhance your Amazon selling experience. From identifying market opportunities to fine-tuning your SEO and pricing, it gives you the insights needed to grow smarter and faster. If you're serious about selling on Amazon and want to level up your strategy with real, actionable data, this is definitely a tool worth considering. As always, we've dropped links to AMZScout and other useful resources down in the description, so be sure to check those out if you want to explore it further. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to SaaStrack, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next review.